Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to a special blog hop. So basically, this is a flash sale, a 48-hour flash sale, along with the special blog hop. Okay, so I'm super excited because today my team and I are revealing a brand new kit called I Adore You. So basically, this kit is an exclusive kit. Once it's sold out, it's gone forever. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and then we're going to go ahead and make a quick project using it, okay? So the kit we are revealing today is right here. It's called I Adore You. And this here comes with a total of, this comes with 12 stamps along with 5 coordinating dies. So basically this is I'll take it out of here so you could see. This is the actual stamp set right here. Hopefully you could see that. It's going to get a piece of cardstock here just so you can see it better. Okay, so that is the actual stamp set there, and I love it. I wanted to kind of take it back old school. I went with the font that I did my very first stamp set in, and that has been my favorite ever since. So I figure why not start the new year off with something, a little throwback. So I'm super excited. So those are the actual stamps, and then these are the coordinating dies that go with it. Now this love right here, that coordinates with this stamp, or you could use it by itself. And then we have the one, so basically 1, 2, 3, those are the 3 images that go with the dies. And then we have these 2, those are just dies only. There's no coordinating stamps to go with those 2. So, okay, so those are the stamps and the dies. And then we have this adorable Falling Hearts stencil. So basically this is a 6x6 size right here, and I love this. So this could fit on an entire front of a card. So basically they're like little falling hearts, and for those of you who have been following me since the beginning, you know I super love my hearts, okay? So I am going to quickly show you a project creating something with just the stamps and dies, and then we're also going to do something with the stencil as well. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you the set I use. This is my set I have out already. This is the Just a Note, and I didn't use the sentiments. I actually used the little die that comes with it, okay? So we're just going to quickly throw this together. This is the actual paper, a little scrap of my pattern paper I'm using. So basically I cut it out, and then it has a little scar mark, and we're going to go ahead and just tuck it in that little flap right there. So that is that. And then what I did was I cut out, using that bigger heart, I cut this out twice. I just want you to see here. I cut it out twice because I wanted the outline part of it to be red. Okay. And then I wanted the center to be white. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and just throw some adhesive on this right here. So let me go ahead and just put this on really quick here. Let me grab a little pen really fast to get this started. I haven't used this in a little bit. Might be clogged up just a tad. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and just put some adhesive on here. And you could whip up these little note cards in no time at all. I love this set. Like I said, you know me, I love my hearts. So let's go ahead and just get this on here. Just like so. And then to get this to fit, I'm going to go ahead and just put it off to the side like this. Okay. Just like this. Let's kind of just go around, make sure that's stuck there. I was going to pop this up, but I decided not to. So what we're going to do is, let me grab my little tape runner for this guy here. And then we're just going to go ahead and just throw the tape runner on here. Oops. We're going to use this better I wanted to use that, what was this called? The multi-medium mat for that, since it has like a little finer edge. I won't be able to put it on with this, that's for sure. And then this is just going to kind of go in here just like a puzzle. Just like so, super duper cute. And then the sentiment we are going to use from this set is called Just a Little Love Note. Okay, so let's go ahead. And then again, I'm using my favorite Ranger Archival ink. I don't think I'll ever use another ink. That's my favorite one. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to try my best to get this straight here. There we go. So we're just going to keep it simple. It looks like it's a little crooked, but that's okay. I'm not going to let it bother me. So just a little love note. Let me tuck that back in there. Oopsie. Just like so. Super duper cute, and you can make yourself a little message on the inside. So that's one quick little note card you can make using that. And let's go ahead and do something with the stencil right now. Okay, for the next one, we're going to go ahead and use this awesome stencil. But this here, I'm using the bigger die from Bunch of Stitch doily dies, and we're going to go ahead and make a tag using this, okay? So I am just going to go ahead and let's see, let's put this, let me see how I want to do this here. I want to make sure, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the hearts off here. I'm trying to like center them, you know. Let's see. Okay, let's do it like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little tape. Let's see, let's just grab this tape here. And then just tape it down like so, just so it won't move on me, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and use Worn Lipstick. This is the Tim Holtz Distress ink. And then I'm just going to use this little dauber, little finger dauber I found is probably the best thing to use with all of my stencils, because it just kind of gets in there perfectly. You see how beautiful that is? So we're going to go ahead and just go all the way around, just like so. And it's just going to give it a cute little subtle background. I might move the stencil over a little bit to get some more hearts in different spots, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So let's go ahead and do this. And then again, all you have to do is just dab it, just like so, and it'll pick up your hearts beautifully with this, rather than the actual I don't know what you call these, but I like it I like to use this better than this, because it kind of like I said, picks up all the little details perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this here. We'll put one right here. Actually, it kind of looks like all the hearts are going down in a diagonal. So I don't think I'm going to add any more. I think we're just going to go ahead and keep it like so. See, and I like this because where the stitching is on this actual particular die, it'll come through. So I just want to go just a little bit more darker here. Just like so. Okay, so now that part is done. And let's just take off the tape here. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so let's just go ahead and leave it. So what I did was I used this die that's in the kit. We're probably, and I took out the little insides there. So we're probably going to put this maybe, let's see, probably here at the bottom. But let me Okay, sorry, I actually cut this out again in white so I could use the inside. So let's go ahead and move this over there. And then we're going to go ahead and adhere this down like so. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my multi-matte medium adhesive since it has a little thin tip there. Now this is a little tip I actually added myself. I believe I got it from Amazon, but the tip that actually comes in your original bottle like this, it's pretty thin as well, so you really don't need this particular one. The original one that comes with it is pretty good as well. So let's go ahead. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this down here. And what I did was I smeared some ink on there on accident, so we're going to fix that by putting a little sequence on there. So here goes the inside to the white ones that I cut out. Okay, so let's go ahead and stick this right here. Like so. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get this little white one here, put some adhesive on this as well, and put this here on the inside of this guy right here. Alright, let's go ahead and cover this up so it won't dry out again. Oh, I did have some twine here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I mean, like I said, it's going to be super duper simple. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in here through the little hole and just add this on like so. And then we're going to go ahead and just put some, we're going to add some sequins to this. Let me grab it really quick. Okay, so sorry. I actually decided to stamp I Adore You right there. And I'm sorry, I forgot to turn the camera back on for that, but I just went ahead and stamped that there. And then to cover up this little ink smear, which you see right there, and you could always fix that, so don't think you have to start a card completely over just because you make a little boo-boo. It's okay. Oops, I just blew all the sequins everywhere. Okay, so let me go ahead and just smash that on there. And then we're going to go ahead and just put one right here. And then we're going to put our third one probably right there. Yeah, we'll put it right here. And that's it, everyone. So don't forget to head on over to my blog at www.creativetimeforme.com because that is where the blog hop begins. And also don't forget to leave the code FLASH, and that's all in capital letters, FLASH. You're going to go ahead and at checkout use that code FLASH to get your 20% off of your entire purchase. And like I said, these kits, once they're gone forever, and I will not carry them again. So if you definitely want them, take advantage and pick them up right away if you can, because I don't know if they'll sell out right away. I never know. You know what I'm saying? So again, this is the kit. It's called I Adore You. And it comes with stamps, coordinating dies, along with this awesome 6x6 size stencil. Okay, everybody? So that is it, everyone. Again, don't forget to hop along with us. And have a fabulous day. Thank you for joining me. Oh, again, this is a 48-hour sale, which is starting right now, which is Friday, January 5th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And this sale will end Sunday, January 7th at, let's see, Sunday, January 7th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, everybody? So that's it. Have a fabulous day, everybody. And I will see you all back here next week. Bye-bye.